Ooh! Heading back into the past, here is Creeper and Reaper. Back to the 70s to see maybe the first computer virus. Well, the program was not malicious, so maybe it's not a computer virus, but it kinda worked like one, so I reckon the moniker sticks. The first virus of all time was authored by Bob Thomas in the early 1970s. Bob Thomas worked for BBN Technologies, a company that was instrumental in developing the precursor to the internet, the ARPANET. Among the alumni that worked at BBN were Robert Kahn, C.R. Licklider, Marvin Minsky, and Ray Tomlinson. More about Ray later in the video. The group worked on a time-sharing operating system named 10X that ran on the digital PDP-10 hardware. Creeper, well, wasn't really a virus. It was more like a worm that would copy itself from computer to computer. How the virus worked was like this. Creeper would start and print out this message. I'm the Creeper. Catch me if you can. Computers in those days did not always have displays, so it would be a printout from a device that looks like this. Creeper would find another 10X system using the RSEXEC server daemon. It will then open a connection and transfer itself. Creeper would try to delete itself from the source computer. Essentially, it's just jumping from computer to computer, not really replicating. Creeper did not really exploit any vulnerability. Instead, the RSEXEC process just had no security. However, that's where Ray Tomlinson comes in. Ray Tomlinson, the inventor of email, not this guy, had other ideas. He enhanced Creeper so that when it moved from computer to computer, it actually replicated itself. It didn't delete the source. So essentially, he enhanced Creeper to become an actual virus. This is when the chaos started. Without a mechanism to actually regulate the copying of the program would just spread to all the 10X systems. So what Ray Tomlinson did was he wrote the first antivirus in the world, the program Reaper. Reaper was also a worm. It copied itself from machine to machine. But what Reaper did was it would look for the signs of infection of Creeper and then it would delete Creeper. So it's kind of like it's the first antivirus, but it's also the second virus, kind of ironic, using a virus to be an antivirus. Overall, Creeper and the antivirus Reaper did not cause any trouble. The reason was that the network of computers was so small. Only the researchers at BBN could have seen Creeper, and they were the only ones that would have deployed Reaper to delete Creeper. In the end, there was no internet for this virus to actually spread beyond the researchers' network. Ray Tomlinson would go on to achieve a lot more in computer science, like he literally invented email. But it's kind of ironic that he also wrote the first virus and the first antivirus. Have you seen this virus in the past? I certainly have not. The virus is considerably older than myself. And even if I had access to the source code, I do not think I could even understand the kind of assembler that was used. I will put links in the description below with more information about this virus. Gentle reminder to subscribe, hit that bell icon and give me a like if you like the content. Let me know in the description below if you would like me to cover any virus you have seen, or if there's any really interesting virus assembler that you would like me to cover. As always, it's been a pleasure bringing you this information. I am High Voice, signing out.